Hello friends, is fundamental rights available to citizen of India only or also for the foreigners? So this is a confusion in many aspirants or many students who are preparing for examination. So in this video we will clarify all this type of doubts regarding fundamental rights available to whom and how. So friends, when we talk about citizen of India, we think like fundamental rights is only made for us, not for any other foreigner. But friends, you are wrong that fundamental rights is for both citizen of India and for citizen of other countries as well. But there is some differences in between the fundamental rights of our Indian citizen and in between the fundamental rights of foreigner. That is friends that a few provision of our fundamental rights is only for citizen of India and no other foreigner can enjoy these fundamental rights, and that was friends like article 15, article 16, article 19, and article 29, 30, and itself along article 32. So it means that friend, article 15, that is prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, that only citizen of India having these rights, means that no one can discriminate you on the ground of this, but any foreigner like people from any other countries can be discriminated on the above grounds. So this fundamental rights is article 15 is only with citizen of India. And when we talk about article number 16, which is also for citizen of India, not for any foreigner, that is right to right to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. This is only for citizen of India, not for foreigner. And when we talk about article 19, that is a big concept and a big power in hands of citizen of India. That is protection of six rights regarding freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom of movement, freedom of residence, and freedom of profession. That no foreigner can enjoy these rights. Only citizen of India, that is we and you, can enjoy these rights. So this is a good thing for us. And along with it friends, like article number 29 and 30, that is can you remember what is article 29? Anyone can? Okay, no problem, I will discuss it with you. That article 29 says that protection of language, script and culture of minorities, that is people who belongs to minorities community of our country can have only have this right to protection of language, script and culture. Foreigner is not comes under this article. And when we talk about article 30, that is right to establish, administer, right to establish and administer educational institution for minorities. That is friends, only these I say that these six rights are only with citizen of India. And another, that is article 32 itself is also comes only for citizen of India. And but article 32 have some other backgrounds which we need not to discuss in this video. We only discuss this video for the purpose of rights with citizen of India and with foreigner. So but when we talk about that what are the rights available to the foreigners, so in that case other rights except the six rights which we discuss in the citizen of India, other rights except article 17, article 18 and article 32, all other rights are also available to the foreigners. Means that friends, if we exclude these articles like article 15, article 16, article 17, 18, 19, article 29, article 23, sorry article 30 and article 32, इसके अलावा जितने भी आर्टिकल्स है वो सारे फॉरेनर्स के लिए भी अवेलेबल हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक आर्टिकल 14 राइट टू इक्वालिटी एंड इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ laws, and article 20, that is protection in respect of conviction for certain cases. Article 20, that is article 21, that is protection of life and personal liberty, and so on. If you don't remember, then you can watch my another video in which I have described every fundamental rights. So if we discuss all fundamental rights, then it take a very long video and duration become too much. So you may getting bored, or uh, you may not feel comfortable to discuss all those things. So in this video we will only discuss that article number 15, 16, article 19, article 29, 20, and 30 is only for citizen of India. And article, if you want to note, you can note it down, that article 14, article 20, article 21, article 20, and article 22, and article 25, 26, 27, 28, and yeah, all those are for both citizen of India and for foreigner also. So, and when we talk about all of those things, so friends, firstly remember that no one can ask you about those things. But yes, if you are giving any mains examination, or suppose examiner may ask you that they give you a list of four fundamental rights and ask you among which of the following is a fundamental rights available only to the citizen of India. So this type of question maybe arises. So if you want, here is a table, you can also note it down. And so thank you very much for watching this video. And friends, this is our new YouTube channel. So if there is any mistake in this video, I'm extremely sorry for that, because this is my first experience to making any video. So from next video we will manage each and every type of mistakes which we have done in this video. And thank you for watching this video, and please cooperate us from subscribing our channel, so that it motivates us to make more videos for you. Thank you friends, thank you very much.